Good morning everyone and welcome to the update video for the day 2 where you want to do a little bit of market research and validation. As mentioning, whatever idea that you have, you need to validate it, do your research and see which market do you want to cater to, what is the size of the market, is this plan actually worth it. So we have discussed couple of tools and these videos that are there regarding ChatGPT, Chat Deep Seek, Grok. Some of the features are paid in ChatGPT, but one thing that I also wanted to share in this quick update video is about the tool of Manus. So Manus is also very good for doing research because it is based on an you can say, and you can just go to click agent here, give an agent a task to work on. So this is I want to give something an agent to give a work on a task. So what I am going to mention is that we will be asking it to do a same thing, right? I want to do a market research and validation. I will just mention, please do market research and validation for my business idea. So suppose my business idea, as of now something is going on in my head, is to do an consulting. For AI consulting, for startups and SMEs in Europe and Middle East. That is the GCC countries mainly. They have the money, and for now I'll just keep this and GCC. Okay, so please do a market for AI consulting. For AI consulting, startup. So this is like a startup. Okay, so this is something that I'm going to give, and if you want to give details about that AI consultancy startup, and you can give the I will also mention the website also, decoding data science. I'll also tell me the website of my, so they know about who am I and what am I going to do. So for now I'll just keep it very simple. Do a market research for AI consulting, AI consulting by decoding data science. That is the brand, so it will get an idea of what is my current status for startups and SMEs in the Europe and GCC. Stress, okay, stress also on training and community, because this is also our strength. And let us try to just do this particular thing. Manus is, as you know, it is giving you some credits. You can do up to 300 credits a day. So I am now asking it to do a market research, and now it is asking me to enable browser notification. I will just close this for now, and I will just see. Okay, so I will do the following. So this is doing it everything by itself. You can see this, and just wait for some time till it does its work. So this is also one way of playing around with Manus. So now I will, so these are the things that it has done. You can see now it has decided that it is going to do, first it decided it is going to do the 8 steps. Now it has opened the browser, and it is doing the step-by-step things. What all the in the 8 phases that they need to do, they are breaking it up, and they are doing proper research. So they are going to different websites. So this particular work that I am doing for AI consulting in the Europe and GCC, it will take a lot of time, but now because of Manus, it has been done in a very quick manner. And it'll, because this is not only giving the answer from the large language model, it is actually going inside the Manus computer. It is opening up a browser, and whatever tasks that I have designed, it is breaking it up, taking the task, opening the browser, and you can see that it is doing the magic. It is going to take a couple of minutes. I will be resuming when it's nearby done. So the total work. It took approximately 7 to 8 minutes. It did all the tasks one by one. If you want to look at the total things that it has done, it started at around 10 a.m. Now it took 10:17. So exactly 16 minutes it has taken to do the whole work that is there. It broke down into 8 steps, and it created a whole comprehensive report for this. And always when you're using Manus, you can always do this particular thing as well. You can give a particular feedback to get 100, because it is very credit sensitive. So I have got a very good document, if you can see here. And this is a big document. If I want to just download this document, I can download this document, and I can there is an option of downloading it. Let me download it in Google Docs. Oh no, so 1 second, let me go back. Let me just download. First, let me download in PDF and Markdown. Yeah, PDF. This is PDF, approximately 48 pages of comprehensive report. It becomes very tough to read everything, but this is not from just from the ChatGPT, but it is from the analysis that it has done from the different platforms. So this is a very raw format. What I recommend you to do is to go and like you can edit as well. Like you can edit few things here. Like I can see there are little bit of doubling here, right? Because I want to do a UAE, and then this is just repeat. So sometimes it just repeats. So I will just remove all these things. So first thing is yes. So I will have this market landscape and decoding data science, targeting startups and SMEs in Europe and GCC. Market landscape analysis. This is something that is there. I think these are just extra, because I will just remove this one, because we are doing a market size and growth projection. So this is the numbers, and this is this is for GCC. This is for specifically Europe. So first it is doing for Europe, then it is doing for GCC. Target audience, it is trying to go into details about this as well. So it's done a pretty good report, right? I have done few edits, if you can see, just to remove the redundancies, everything. And then once I feel this is a good enough thing, with emphasis on training and the community, this is something that I have given as well, right? But as I told you, this is a good document, but it's tough for people to go through everything in details, and that is the reason why also what I have done is, like, once I have cleaned this document, after reviewing it, checking it, then I will come here and I will do share Manus creation as an interactive website. So this is the reason why I am recommending Manus to do also a research. Document is good, but if you have an option, you can do it. So it has, collated so many different documents, around 20 plus documents, and it has put it together at once place. And if you want to use this document for your own work, or just to give to others to review, a very good way is to convert this into a website. So Manus is going to automatically create this particular research of 48 pages into a interactive website that you also can use in the future. But before you do this creative website, my request is to go through these details, make sure everything is fine, review it once, because once you create a website, then changing it may be a little bit difficult. That's the reason why they have given you this format. So now if you can see conclusions as well, it is giving a good idea. It is giving our trainings, literacy programs, community as a core proposition, community, create a dedicated online community, which I am already doing, or regular events for clients, alumni. This fosters peer-to-peer learning, knowledge sharing and networking. Content, we are already doing all these things that are there. We are already doing consulting, but we will use this report to try to figure out the market. And as you can see, the market is huge for startups and SMEs. If you can see, it's a big market that is out there. Everyone wants to do work in this, so I can at least we can work to get a small pie towards this as well. So this is a good thing, but you need to read this and you need to summarize it as well. If you want, also you can add an executive summary of this particular report. as well, and you can add an executive summary, or the summary that they have done is a part of this particular recommendation, same as an executive summary. That is the whole thing that they have done is an executive summary. So suppose right now I can also add, I can mention add an executive summary in the start of the report, because now it has understood everything, so it will not take much time and effort to do this particular thing. Add an executive summary in the start of the report. So this is very important, right? Because 48 pages is a good ever thing, but an executive summary is something that is very important as well. So it is taking some time from all the documents. It is going to just read, understand, go through this, and it's good to have any report that we do. 48 pages, a lot of people don't have the time to go through all the report, so this is something that I have added. So I have requested it to do it. Let us see how much time it takes to do this, and how much credit it takes to do this as well. But anyways, we need to add it as well, because once I showed you this report, people will be a little bit confused what to read, what is the main things that is required in this particular thing. An interactive website with an executive summary will really help in also making people understand this particular thing. So let us see how much time it takes. Once it is done, I will again resume. It took a couple of minutes to develop something, and it has preview is not available in this format, so it is asking me to download. So I'm not sure why am I not able to okay. So anyways, you can look at this document. This is a basic markdown. I don't know how it is going to look here. You have to open it in Notepad+. This is opening in, this is the whole, yeah. So we have the executive summary, we have this recommendation. Let us try to look at the edit option here, if it is able to give us. So it's not able to give us an edit option here. So but it looks okay for now, because we have fixed a few things that are there, and it just asked it to add the executive summary, which gives a very good idea about this whole thing. And you can try to download the PDF as well. And this is we can download the PDF, and we will just allow the notifications for now. Okay, and it is taking some time. One second, PDF. So it is taking the markdown, but it is not taking the PDF. So let us give us some time as well. So the thing that I told you for the interaction, what you can do is as well, please download the file to view the content. You can do two things. You can first create it like a website, or ask it to I think we just refresh this one, if sometimes it behaves a little bit weird. So now see, now it came. Now I refreshed it, it came. So you can read this, you can edit this. Ideally it works. Now you can download as a PDF. So sometimes it gets hung, right, because it has been running for some time. So now it has also downloaded a wonderful PDF. It looks fine for now, but suppose I want to create an interactive website to share, and for my future reference that is there. So I will just do this, share Manus creation as an interactive website, and this is the feature that Manus has really inbuilt, right? It has really inbuilt. And now it is, see, I want to create a website for your report. However, I cannot deploy it permanently. That requires a paid subscription. Would you like me to proceed? So it cannot deploy it permanently, but would you like me to proceed with creating? So I will just say go ahead. So would you like to upgrade would you like me to proceed with the creating website and provide you the files, or would you like to upgrade? I would like to creating the website. I cannot deploy it permanently, that requires a paid. Would you like me to proceed with creating the website and provide you the files, or would you like to upgrade? So I will say, for now I don't want to upgrade, so I will say create the website and provide you the files. Creating the website and providing you the files. So now it is doing the work. So it is creating everything here, and then you can use this, and let us see. Before it used to give us a free deployable option. At least now it is, I think my credits are over. I have to have a look at it, but anyways, uh, so it has done everything here. And tell me the steps to deploy it on GitHub pages. So I want me to deploy it on GitHub pages, which is a free option as well, and it has given me the idea as well. So drag and drop on repository page, go to this path, and it is able to do that. So you can do this as well. So you have the report, you want to do it in the website, you can do it. All these tasks, let me see how much tokens it has taken for me to do it. Before they used to allow a one deployment per day, but now I think they have get started. Okay, 652. So this much credits have been gone for me today. So credits and then are not ready for you to come back. So the thing is, so actually my credits were low, that's why I was not able to deploy the website. But you want to see the history of transactions. So these two messages that I took from 1300, if you want to see the history of the messages that are there, so you can go here, go to settings, or go to credits, and I got 1500 credits. But to do this, to do this particular research and everything, detailed research, it costed me around -1248. This is a huge thing that happened. So but the details that I've got is like amazing, right? And if I want to now create this to a website, and I think I have one more Manus account, so let me just try to do this particular thing. So let me just choose a local file. This is the one that I created, the one that we just created, the whole markdown PDF, or you want to copy the whole markdown, up to you. And then I will do this. I will just do this web page. I will not put web page here. I want it to automatically decide. Can you make an interactive website and deploy this market research report with all headlines in an index, visually appealing with some graphics. Okay, so let us see this. So I can you make an interactive website? Very simple, basic thing. Use the above document for content only. I don't want it to use AI and go to search and do something else. So right now I have 3587 credits. Let us see what is the status that it does. So nothing, I've just taken the document and asked it to create an interactive website. Initially I could do it in that other one because I think my credits were a little bit over. So I'll do the following. I will test the website and deploy this link. So it is able to try to do that particular thing. So it has taken the document that has been created from Manus itself after doing the research. Now it is analyzing everything. If you can see, it is doing the first step. The first step is extracted, and now the second step is analyzing it, searching for some relevant graphics and visual assets, because if you can see, the report that we created was very, very bland, right? This report, if I give it to someone, it's okay, people will read it, but there are some graphics, some numbers, something that is, it looks something nice. So let us see what it is doing. So it could have been done here, but the thing is this particular thing has really taken away my credits, so that's the reason why you have to be very careful. So even if you take a paid membership, you have 1900 credits, and this one task that you saw, it took so much credits, and actually it is taking a lot because it is doing a lot of work. It is going to different websites, taking some information and coming back. So it is taking something which is there. You are able to do it for free, and you can see it is doing all the basic things. It is creating the different websites, the different files, that all the things that are there, and doing the magic for you. So this will take couple of minutes. Once it is done, I will be doing the website for you. So it took couple of minutes, and if you can see, allow Manus to deploy this website publicly. So you can do this, but allow for this task. You can allow for this task. So it is going to deploy it. In paid version, you can select the URL by yourself. You can give a specific URL, but in the free version, it is going to assign you their own name. That is fine, because this is just for a learning purposes. If you can see now, they have got a critical this particular report, a comprehensive market research report for AI consulting services for startups and SMEs by decoding data science. You can also add your logo and all, which I have not done for now. If you want to do that, I could have done that, but for now it is fine, because this is just a simple website, and I can just give here, and I can say great. So I'll get some credits back as well. So thank you very much. And now let us just see this video. Now this is deployed. This is deployed on a website as well, Targus tapxyz.manus. So if you can see, this is the comprehensive market research report, AI consulting services by decoding data science. So all the breaks that are there, like executive summary. So this is the executive summary. If you want to read it, read more. You can also read more here. This report summarizes here, but I can see that they have not given the complete details here. So this is something that I have to look at it. So here it is given this trend. So this is the executive summary, but the one problem, it have given a good website. It looks very nice, looks very fancy. But one thing that it has not given more details. So let us go to edit mode. You can also edit few things, so that is amazing. But but this is not what I want, so I have to request it that let me see that how much credits I have left. Open a new link. Okay, new link. Okay, 1 second. Task, and get started. My face. So I have not much credits left today, only 207, because it not go and do much research. So we can do that as well. So go back to interactive website and mention that all the details of the report should be there in the website. So when a person clicks executive summary, he needs to see the whole content, and similar for all the other parts. Please edit it again to make sure we have all content. So this is something that I am requesting it to do. All details of the report. So let us see now how things happen. So now it has, I understand you want the full content of each section to be displayed. Now it is taking the full content from the document, and it is trying to put it across the website. So it is taking sometimes, but eventually you saw that it did a good work, at least the structure. But it thought that you just give an idea, like people just want to see the idea, and maybe you want to sell this report later as well. That is a completely different thing, but for now I just want everything to be here. uh, like what I will be requesting is this particular thing. If I can see, tap, let me just open this, open in new window. So this particular website can be something that is nice to give an idea, and people can put their email ID and get it. So this is like a teaser for your particular thing. I think I will try to ask it to create a new name. Let us see for this particular thing. This is the complete detailed report, and that is the just a snapshot, and you can get people's email ID if they are interested to go through the report in details. The backend here, I'm not sure if you can connect the backend, but at least we can ask it, like send an email or something, or create a form wherein you put your details, and you will get the complete report. Because this report, as you saw, it took a lot of time and analysis to get it done. Even though we have done it through AI tools, but it requires the prompting, and the detailing that has gone into it is valuable. So now you can see it is adding everything in the particular file, and it will just wait till it gets rolling. And I hope it does not rewrite it, because this is something that is a little bit an amazing thing. And so it took couple of minutes, and if you can see, it has created a new website here now. So I think both of them are different website. I think this is TGHOUD, and this is TAP. So I have two different. One is the detailed one. This is like complete detailed one that is there, and this is the one that is like, if you can see, everything that you require. This is the thing that is created. So all of you saw a little bit of prompting. It gives you something very, very nice. And for the previous one that you can see, I think edit mode is something that we can key insights. I can mention here key insights, okay, and then I can mention critical findings, okay, and then I can just do enter to get the, let me just do enter to get the full report. Mail connect at decoding data science.com. Very simple. For now I will do this. So this is like a preview for your and people who want the full report, you have the whole link. And this is something that we can, or also you can create a form or something. Email, okay, and make it bold. Yeah, see this. To get the full report, email. Okay, this looks nice. So we want to preview this. Switch to preview mode. Original version. So this is fine. So now I got this thing, and then you will be able to share this with everyone and get an idea of how things are working. And it's a good report. Market sizing and opportunity, significant opportunity in both markets. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this 30 minutes breakdown of this platform, and creating a very good executive summary that you have done, reviewed it, made sure everything is okay, doing from research and everything, and getting the whole idea. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Keep exploring and sharing your experience.